Said something interesting about echinacea. Now, what's the reason why you say not to take it every day? What does that do to our
Every day for
immune
months and
system?
months after months. You can build, you can be get a toxicity issue, and then you can get a tolerance issue. So there's a certain how the body breaks it down and there's certain properties to it. It's just not something that you would want to do long term. Astragalus is another herb that you would not want to do long term either, because you just need to take a break from it.
Well, it's interesting because we have a product that is manufactured for us, but my father, who's a doctor, and his another colleague of ours developed called BioPro Plus, and it's a thymic protein that we it's a glandular product that we take from the thymus gland. All mammals produce it, and it's a protein that modulates our immune system. Well, early on in the development of this product, we only isolated one protein molecule, and we found that we had amazing results with this protein. It just shot straight up as far as the immune response. But then after about 3 months, people started crashing back down. We're talking about seriously ill people with HIV and cancer, those type of things. And we found that because the immune system is an ever modulating system, it goes up and down, there's up and downs to it, that we had to add more proteins that would actually help that product bring your immune system down from keeping it from spiking constantly. Because if it constantly spiked, it wouldn't have that reaction where people would crash. So we added 4 more molecules to this protein or this product, BioPro Plus, and I would encourage anybody there listening to go to our website, right under my name, and look it up and do some of the research on it. It's an amazing product. But I was wondering if the echinacea was the same in the way that it just continually pushes the upswing, if you will, on the immune system. And I was wondering if that was the reason why you shouldn't take it all the time.
So yes, absolutely.
Okay, great.
It could be the exact mechanisms might be slightly different, but to my understanding, yes, it's definitely the class of herbs that you just don't do all the time.
Great, gotcha. So talk to me a little bit about, I read something in your bio that really kind of was interesting to me, because it's apparently a major way to detox, and it's something that I'm very interested in, but I don't know anything about it. You did some specialty work, or one of your specialties is cellular drainage. What exactly is that, and how can that apply to all of us?
It's a principle of homeopathy, or homotoxicology is what more specifically it is. And it is a way of medicine, a homeopathic system of medicine, in which you're helping the cells release their junk. So, or getting rid of their toxins. So Dr. Robert Cano is a French physician who's been amazing, passed away years ago. A lot of people kind of, it's cultish, if you will. It's really not, but just with what respect that he has, he really was an amazing lecturer. Royal is the company that's here in North America. They distribute out of Canada, that does a lot of classes on this, a lot of offerings on it. Some of it, it can be packaged different ways around the world. What I'm familiar with is a system called UNDA, UNDA. And what it's looking at is saying that, yes, we live in a toxic world, that we can have damages to various organs. And if we can remove the toxins out, then we therefore feel better. So there is a global drainage protocol, which is really pretty simple enough. It's 3 bottles of herbs, but there are different homeopathic dilutions of various minerals, various plants, not really much with animal in there that I'm aware of. So it's really plant and mineral in a certain form on helping it get out of the cell, get into something called into the blood, and then out of the emunctories, which is our main ways to actually detoxify. So we're breathing them out, sweating them out, and then defecating them, urinating them out as well. So it's just a way to push it out and to be helpful for it. Certainly, a knowledge of homeopathy is important, because obviously there's a lot more to it. There have been, when I was doing a lot with their lecturing series, a lot of MDs that were interested. So it's not an impossible system if you don't have a homeopathy background, but it is a system that you have to be aware of. This is more of an energy form of medicine and helping get rid of the toxins in the body on small, dilute particles on the principles of it, and then helping things move them around. So it's